A few minutes later.
Dun, 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 dun.
1 hour later.
Dun, 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 dun.
The next day.
Dun, dun.
One eternity later.
Mom, I'm home. Stop right there. You should not come inside of my house. Why, Mom? Why you should not come inside? What I told you. Don't play in the rain and wet your dress. Now, what you have done? Mom, you care about me that much? If I get wet in the rain, I will get sick. Who said I care about you? I care about your dress. Wow, I have to only wash it, no? You are washing it, ah? I also thought you cared about me and told me not to play in the rain. But Mom, I enjoyed it, Mom. I got joy and it was very nice, Mom. Huh? What did you say? Huh, you got joy? Now good boy. I am going to beat you with my brand new broom. Come here, come here. Mom, don't beat me, Mom. I will go. Don't beat me, Mom. Don't beat me, Mom. Yo man, what's up bro? So I called you because can we two go and get hot tea in this cold rainy climate?
Okay.
Okay then, I will meet you at the shop.
I don't need no light to see you shine. It's your
Hello? Hello? Can we go out for shopping? What? In this much rain you are asking me to go out shopping? Hey please, please. You know that I'm allergic to rain. I will not even go out. Huh, whatever. It doesn't matter that you didn't come. I will ask my friend to come with me for shopping. Bye.